For this video, I'm going to be showing you what's in my April Ipsy bag. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss La, and on this channel I talk about things in regards to beauty, business, and motivation. Before we jump into the video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell for notifications. I do post up new videos often, and you don't want to miss any tips, tricks that I have for beauty, business, and motivation. For today's video, I'm going to be telling you what's in my April Ipsy bag, and hopefully this lighting is okay. I'm shooting in a different spot, so sometimes my videos are darker, sometimes they come out okay, but we're still in a shelter in place. I'm here in Michigan, so it's during this pandemic, so I'm just kind of, just working with what I have. But anywho, for this video, I'm going to show you what's in my April Ipsy bag, and I was really excited to get this. This is the bag. Hopefully you guys can see that. And don't look at my nails because, of course, no nail salons are open, so yeah. But this is the April Ipsy bag, and for this particular month, each month they have like a theme or whatever they're calling it. So for this month, I'm quite sure it's gonna focus on something springy, but it says, this is the card. They always give you a little card that goes with it. So this is the card for April, and it says full bloom, and it says Mother Nature's finest work, you. It's time to fully embrace your natural and most gorgeous state, curls, curves, and all, and allow yourself to bloom. And so it says on the inside, roses are red, violets are blue. These 5 glam bag products valued at $50 plus were picked just for you. So I think the one I picked for this month was a mask, because I was like, okay, it's spring, need to make sure my skin is clean because everything's gonna be flying about. So I think that was the one item I picked, because each month you can pick the one item you want, and then they kind of just build off that. So the mask was the one I picked. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products for this month of April, and now I'll show you what's in my April Ipsy bag. So the first product I have, and like I said, don't come for me for my nails because I know they look a mess. I'm waiting on my kids so I can do them, okay? But the first product I have, I think it's pronounced Helios Living Lovely Nail Polish. And it says, we're fully embracing spring's lighter color palettes with this perfect warm tone orchid shade. The smart formula has a photo initiator that cures polish in natural light, so there's no need for a UV or LED lamp, and dries it to a smooth gel-like finish. Plus, the long wear formula lasts up to 10 days. And then they did have this neat little tip here, and I never knew this. It says, in a rush, dip polished nails into cold water for 10 seconds to speed up the drying time. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, and I like never even heard of that. Maybe it's because I don't do nails. That's probably why. But anyway, the full retail value for this polish is $12.50. So this is the actual container, and hopefully you guys can see that. So the name of the color is called Living Lovely. That's the name of it. So let me see if I can get this open. Oh, this is cute. So this is the actual polish. That's really cute. I may use that on my nails. My nails look jacked up. You see that? But this is the colors. So I really like this bottle. This is really nice. So it probably dry. Oh yeah. This is pretty. So this is it. So I may use it like in a when I go get my nails done, or when I do my nails later on, because I'm waiting on eBay now to ship me the products for my nails, so maybe I'll do that. But anyway, that's the Helios Living Lovely nail polish, and it retails for $12.50. So the next product that I have is called Youth to the People SUPERBERRY Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. And it says, get glowing while you sleep with this intensely hydrating overnight mask. It uses vitamin C. I think this is pronounced squalane, maybe. I'm messing that up. But it says squalane, which mimics skin's natural oils and antioxidant-rich macquae, I don't know, to brighten you up, help fade dark spots, improve elasticity, and even out your skin tone for a beautiful complexion. And it says, tip, apply an even layer to clean skin at night and catch some beauty sleep. And it says the retail price for this is $48. Now, I did use this. Let me just try to show you that. So that's it. So I did use this last night. And, oh, I like this. Right on there it says, dive into your dreams. So that's a cute little motivational thing. But anyway, I did use this at night. I followed the tip, and this is it. So like the container will look like this. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's a little sample size, and then this is it. But I used this last night, and I have combination skin, but as you can see, it dries clear. Like, it just dries clear. So you can leave this on your face all night. So I did that, and even still, and it's just me, somebody else may have a different outcome from it, but for me, I still felt like my face was not as hydrated, because it does say that this has hyaluronic acid in it, which for me, when I use my Neutrogena, you guys hear me talk about it all the time, it puts a lot of moisture into my face. But for this, I still felt like my face was a little dry. So just for me, that's just the way it performed, but for someone else, it may be totally different. But all in all, like, it didn't have any reactions. As you can see, it goes on your skin clear, and it was it was just a good mask. That's all it was. I didn't see any more moisture into my face. So yeah, that was it. And this product, like I said, does retail for $48. And this is the Youth to the People SUPERBERRY Hydrate Plus Glow Dream Mask. So the next product that I have is the Kismet Pure Vitamin C Primer. And it says, new to primer, this one helps keep your makeup looking fresh without fading or getting splotchy. The silky texture smooths the look of pores and is infused with vitamins to brighten and nourish your skin over time. And it says, as a tip, pump a dime-sized amount into your fingertips and smooth over face before makeup. And the regular retail price of the full version is $46. Now, I did use this. Let me just kind of get this right here so you guys can see. So I did use this product today, and it did exactly what it performs. It helped the makeup to go on. I noticed just a little bit of maybe, like, I don't feel like my pores are huge, so I didn't really see anything like amazing for that, but it did exactly what it said it does. So the one thing I do like about it is it has a vitamin C in it, and if you're more of a mature person, then this may be a good product for you. If you're younger, you may not need it so much, but it'll just make you look really, really bright. But if you're a mature person, then this vitamin C in this product will really be great. And this does retail for $46. So the next product that I have is called, I feel like I'm messing this name up, Aromatica Calendula Juicy Cream. Wow, some of these names they have are just like, oh my god, crazy. But it says the star ingredient in this The star ingredient in this moisturizer Calendula extract, an all-natural skin healer that takes down redness and itching on contact. The formula is heavy on hydration but feels super light, and it has a water-like texture that soaks in fast and makes your skin soft and bouncy. And it says, tip, use your fingers to massage a pea-sized amount of cream into your face and neck. And the regular retail price of this is $40. Now, I did use this as well. And one of the things that I like about this, and if I'm looking down, I'm just looking at my notes, this is certified organic, and it is vegan. So I know with the way things are right now, that's super important to people. So if you're looking for a certified organic and a vegan product, then this would be it. I used it today. It went on like a moisturizer. It doesn't have, like, I like for my moisturizers to have some type of something to give me more moisture into my face, because I drink a lot of water, but I need products to give me more moisture in my face. So I personally probably would buy this product for that. But if you're looking for something that's organic and vegan, then this will be it. And the regular retail price for this is $40. So the last product I have in my April Ipsy bag is the YC Collection Loose Setting Powder in number 121. And it says, want to make sure your look lasts through spring picnics, Sunday fun days, and festivals? This setting powder is made with mattifying minerals to keep your skin shine-free and your makeup fresh, bright, and in place for up to 12 hours, no matter the weather or humidity. Oh, it's a tall order because a lot of people want that. But it says, there's a handy little tip, prevent concealer from creasing under your eyes by setting it with a tiny bit of this loose powder. And the regular retail price for this is $11.99, which isn't bad if it lasts for 12 hours. So this is in number 121, and it says on here, let's see. Oh, I thought maybe it said vegan, but it's not. It just says cruelty free on here, but I just wanted to make sure. But this is the YC Collection. So for $12, that's not a bad price point. I did use it today under my eyes, and I don't see any creasing. I've had it on for at least 5 hours. So at least 5 hours, and it does say it will last up to 12. I only had it on for 5, so I don't know. If it does anything after I eat my dinner, I'll just put a little note in this video, but I feel like it won't because it's working pretty good now for 5 hours. So the regular retail price of this is $12, so that's a good price point. Shine free up to 12 hours. So if you're looking for a, kind of show you guys, that's it, if you want to see it. So if you're looking for a reasonably priced loose setting powder, then this is $12 for the regular retail price. I used it, I'm wearing it for 5 hours. I actually have it here and then a little bit in my T-zone because sometimes I get oily there. So far it's holding up good. So there's the YC Collection Loose Setting Powder in the number 121, and it retails for $11.99. So those are all the products in my April Ipsy bag. If you have used any of these brands, please let me know in the comments. Or if you're interested in using any of them, please let me know in the comments about that as well. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell ding, for notifications. I do post up new videos often, and you don't want to miss any tips, tricks that I have for beauty, business, and motivation. Have a great day, guys. Bye.